Hey everybody, it's time to do our daily math review for Wednesday. Our math boxes, here we go. Write a fraction and a decimal for the shaded part. Well, we know this is 10 by 10. 10 rows by 10 columns. So this right here shows 100 boxes. I have how many shaded? I have one row, so that's 10. I have another row, 20, 22. So I have 22 out of how many? I have 22 out of 100 shaded. Okay. Now, our decimal, it is this, our fraction, we say 22 hundredths. Well, that's what our decimal is. We put a decimal point, we put 22, and we say that 22 hundredths because that last digit is in the hundredths place. Okay, 985 minus 492. Find the answer. Do not try to solve this horizontally. I want you to write it vertically. 985 minus 492. 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 9, can't do it. Bigger bottom borrow. So 18 minus 9 is 9. And then 8 minus 4 is 4. 493. Choose the appropriate symbol, plus, minus, multiply, or divide to make the number sentences true. 9 blank 9 equals 81. Well, the bigger number is at the end, so we have to multiply or add. 9 plus 9 does not equal 81, so we are going to multiply. 42 is what to 7 equals 6. So 42, the bigger number is at the beginning. So we are either going to subtract or divide. So this one, we are going to divide. 42 divided by 7 equals 6. 8 blank 4 equals 32. 8 times 4 equals 32. 17 what to 8 equals 9. Well, the bigger one's at the beginning, so we're going to divide or we're going to subtract. Well, I know that it's subtraction. Okay. Because that is too small of a number to divide into 8 parts and get 9. Okay, so let's look at this. Next one, geometry. Draw the mirror image reflection of the shape across a line. Imagine looking in the mirror. What would you see? Well, here is our line of symmetry. Okay? So all we have to do, we have to, as it's like we fold it on that line of symmetry, and we draw. Okay? If we put a mirror there, that's what we would see in the mirror. Okay? Choose the better estimate. 1 pint or 1 gallon for a can of Coke. Well, a whole gallon of milk is rather large. And my pop can, my Coke can, is not that large. So I would have to guess that it's a pint. Okay. Then we're going to convert the following measurements. How many cups are in 3 gallons? Well, first we have to see how many cups are in 1 gallon. Let's look at this. For each of the pints you see in here, you see 2 cups. So let's just count all the cups that are in this gallon. We have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I have 16 cups in 1 gallon. So how many are in 3 gallons? So you could multiply 16 times 3, or you can add 16 3 times. 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So there'd be 48 cups. Now, there are 6 quarts equals how many cups? Well, you will look in the quart. How many cups are in each quart? In one of these quarts, how many do you see? I see 2, 4. I see 4 cups for each quart. Well, if there are 6, it would be 6 times 4. So it would be 24 cups. Okay. Now we're going to look at the number sentence below. 66 plus 18 equals 74. The answer is incorrect. Explain how an estimate would show you that the answer is incorrect. Well, if I really looked at this, I would see that 66 isn't that far from 74. So right now, I can just, by looking at it, see that it's wrong. How would I use an estimate? Well, you know what? 18 is close to 20, so I'm just going to take 66 plus 20, and I get 86. That's not close to 74, is it? Okay. So just by looking at it and changing one of the numbers so it's easier to add, you can see whether an answer is incorrect. Okay, what is the correct answer to the number sentence? 66 plus 18. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 6, 7, 8. The answer is 84. Okay. Now, my secret word that you have to put on here is potato chip. I must be hungry. Potato chip. If you write that on your paper, I know you've listened to this and you have made all your corrections. Have a great day.